The Supreme Court granted time to the respondent to give suggestions on the creche facilities in the Supreme Court. The petitioner Anandita Pujari had filed a writ petition on the case questioning the effectiveness of the creche facilities, following which the court had postponed the opening of the creche facilities. The Bar Council of India has sought more time to file their counter in the PIL filed by Shamnath Bashir, who had sought a permanent body to conduct Common Law Admission Test or CLAT. The case will now be heard after 4 weeks. Bashir had filed the PIL in 2015, spelling out various errors in the conduct of CLAT over the years. In a PIL seeking Special Investigation Team or Central Bureau of Investigation probe into Manipur extrajudicial killings, the Supreme Court observed alleged judicial killings by security forces must be investigated. Supreme Court also said that Army can also conduct its own inquiries into the accusations of extrajudicial killings in Manipur till court examines. Supreme Court also sought details of 1,528 alleged extrajudicial killings in Manipur. The Supreme Court today allowed those private operators or PTOs who had conducted earlier Hajj operations deemed fit for this year's Hajj operations also. They are now eligible for being considered in draw of lots. As far as PTOs who conduct Umrah operations, only those PTOs are qualified who had undertaken Hajj operations previous year. Those who failed in draw of lots are disqualified for this year. The Supreme Court today disposed of special leave petition against an order of the Delhi High Court regarding distribution of legislative powers between Delhi government and Government of India under Article 239AA of the Constitution. Supreme Court said that as the Delhi High Court has already heard the matter and reserved the judgment on all the issues, including the preliminary issue, it is desirable that the High Court should pronounce the judgment. Thereafter, needless to say, it will be open to the parties to seek their remedies as advised in law, the court said.